Hi everyone, Sandy Trefker here. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing an album that I designed for Country Craft Creations. Actually, this is a prototype album so that I could make it and take notes and get the measurements and everything down for you for a project that I'm going to be making and doing a tutorial on. So this one with these papers will not have a tutorial, but there will be a tutorial on how to make the album in a different paper, and I'll actually be using Country Craft Creations exclusive Ireland Forever paper collection. If you haven't checked that out, I suggest you go on their website and do that now. It's at countrycraftcreations.com. This paper collection that I used is from their February Craftology kit, Country Craft Creations Craftology kit, which is a subscription kit that you can sign up for and receive a kit with a different collection and all the different little goodies that come with it, and a main project tutorial with the cutting list and photos of that project. But then you'll also have the option of creating a couple of other projects designed by other creative team members. So it's a real fun way to get ideas and new product and everything like that. But this is my kit, but it is not the project that came with the kit. I just took the supplies that I had and added some from my stash so that I could design this album, and I like to finish the album so that I can see how everything's going to work. So if you're interested in the Craftology kit from Country Craft Creations, I believe you can sign up now on their website up until the 15th of March, because the next box that's coming out is in April. So it ships on April the 10th. So you do have to sign up before the 15th of the month prior, and it ships every other month. I think the price is like $63.98 or $64, something like that. I do know that the one for April is going to feature the new exclusive Country Craft Creations kitchen recipe retro paper called What's Cookin', and some other goodies with that. I think the main project will be revealed on the 1st of April in a video, but you do have to sign up before that. So they're really great kits. You won't be disappointed, I don't think. And like I said, if you don't like the main project or you want something different, then there's always a couple more options by other creative team members. So anyway, this one's mine that I designed the prototype. This particular album will be done as a tutorial with the different papers, but I'm going to show you real quick what I did. So it has the spine wrap that is designed by Tamara of Country Craft Creations. Just show you how to do that. On the front, I kept it pretty simple, I guess. Maybe I made the flowers with a die. I added the charm that came with the Craftology kit. These flat backs were in my stash, and because your cut aparts in your papers. And the paper for this particular one was Carta Bella's Let's Celebrate. So if you didn't get the Craftology box and you want to make a birthday album, those papers are still available. I know there's at least 3 right now 2 or 3 of the collection kits in the 12 by 12 size still available. You would want that, and then you would want the coordinating solid pack that you can order with that, and the ephemera pack. So you could get that and make this album. I did use craft cardstock and of course heavyweight chipboard, so you would need to get some of that if you don't have it already in your stash. So like I said, it is available, a couple of the 12 by 12 paper collection kits. It's not the Craftology collection kit, but the paper. Either that, or you can buy single sheets. I did notice that there were single sheets still available, as well as a sticker sheet that you can order. So you can still get this paper collection. It's by Carta Bella, called Let's Celebrate, at countrycraftcreations.com. So I used a frame here. You can add your own photo here, and I lifted the frame part a little bit and added these flat back dots, added a bow and some of the flowers, and let's party and happy birthday. So when it opens up, now what's unique about this is going to be a one-page album, but don't let that fool you. It's got a lot of flips and flaps and places in it, but one page keeps it from being bulky, and you can keep a smaller spine. So this is 8 by 8, and I think this is 1.5 on the spine. So I'd have to look at my notes. I don't have those handy. So when this opens up, I utilize the inside cover and the back cover as well. So first thing you're going to notice here, different layers. And the tool that I used is the We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch board to get these pockets like this. So this pocket, you pull this out and you have a double-sided photo mat that you can leave out and tuck back in. You probably could get 2 in there if you wanted to. Since I patterned both sides, I'm just leaving it at 1. Then we have these little tag pockets here that you can put photos on. So we have 2 of these. They both come out the same way. And then this is a string closure here. You undo this. This flips up and down, so you could put photos in these areas. And this folds back. So this is just a storage area. I put in a lot of the extra cut parts in here, and a photo mat here that has a belly band, but you can mat photos over the top of that or tuck them underneath, whichever look you want. And of course on the back, for this one I left it open here so you can tuck the photo in and mount probably 2 on there. Then of course you could put photos in here, and you could put loose photos here if you wanted to, and kind of just hold that all in there, so that kind of holds that in that area. Then over here on the page, this is the single page. It is on a hinge. It's a pocket type page, so we have an insert in there. But here on the front, we have this flap that flips up. So I did a lot of decorating to make it really fun for birthday. This flips up and it has a tuck spot here. And then this is the insert that comes out. So you've got photo area here, and then you could also put it on the back. And I didn't put any paper on the back, but you could add paper. So that sticks into the page pocket. Then we have a pocket here where you can tuck in several photo mats. I just have one right now. And then we have a little tag pocket, and I have 2 tags in that. And then this flips up, and this is where we get a lot of space for photos. This you can tuck photos in or mat them down on there. So that's a lot of fun. And then the page flips over, and we have this fun element here that is also with a string closure. It flips back. You can put a photo here, and then this main flap flips back, and we have places for photos and your small photos. And then we have a pocket where I put extra photo mat, a little booklet from a cut apart. I added photo mats in there, and this photo mat here, and another extra one in the white here in case you needed, someone needed it to put inside somewhere. So this is a fun page here. And then on the inside cover, back cover, we have this pocket. In the pocket we have a tag, a fun tag that I made. some more of the cut aparts. And then this is a ribbon tie closure. This unties. We flip this down. We have a place for photos here. And then we have a double waterfall. So these are separate. So you can flip them back. Now on the back side, I put some of my smaller ephemera pieces that I had. But I made them so that you could actually mat a photo over them if you need it. So if you don't need it, you've got it decorated. If you want it for photos, you can add those. So those just all flip up like that. And of course, you can put photos on this side here where the decorative paper is. This is the inside. And so you could actually put a few photos in there. I left this where it can tuck underneath there. So that is your double waterfall there. And then, of course, just ties closed. And if you wanted to, you could make it where this, whoops, I should have put this underneath there. This flap could become a magnet. I didn't add magnets, but you could put 2 magnets on there and hold it down with a magnet. And your ribbon if you wanted to, if you don't like the it looking as loose as this one is. I didn't think about that at the time, that we might need magnets, so I did not add those. So there we have it. This is my prototype album created out of the Carta Bella Let's Celebrate birthday paper collection. I will be doing a tutorial on this album style using Country Craft Creations Ireland Forever paper collection. It's going to take me probably a week and a half or so to get everything assembled and the album done, and then the tutorials. So if you haven't already, clicked on subscribe on my channel and then click on the bell so that you'll be notified when the tutorials, the walkthrough and the tutorials are available on the Ireland Forever in this album style. So thanks so much for watching. Be sure and check out countrycraftcreations.com for all your crafting supplies. Thanks. Bye-bye.